Hello everybody, welcome to Python programming examples for beginners and professional video series. So in this video, I'm going to explain about Python program to print even or odd numbers in a given range, and also it's a count. So let us see the code. Here is the Python shell. I'll go to file. I'll take new file. So the program is write a Python program to generate even number in a given range and its count. So for that, I want the initial value and the end value. For that, I'll take one variable called start. I'll read one value from the user. I'll store it in a start. I'll take one variable called end, and the ending range, I'll store it in a variable called end. So enter the ending number. Now I got two number. One is starting number, another one is ending number. Now next, I'll take one variable called count, because we have to keep track of the count, also how many even numbers are there in the given range. So then I'll use one for loop. I'll use a iteration variable. It is the I for I in range. So what is the range I have to give? I have to start from the starting number, whatever the user has entered. So I'll make use of the variable called start. Then I'll go up to the end plus 1, comma, end plus 1. I should go. Then the I variable will be starting from the start value, whatever user entered, and it will go up to the end plus 1. So now I should check whether the number is even or not. So how to check whether the number is even? So I have to divide that number by 2. That is the number is there in variable called I mod 2 is equal to 0. If the remainder is 0, then I can say that the number is even, else the number is odd. So this is the for loop. I have to give semicolon, and this is if. Now if my number gets divided by 2, and if we get the remainder 0, then I'll print that number. I'll print that positive or even number. The next, I'll increment my count. Count is equal to count plus 1. I'm doing, because whenever we found an even number, we are incrementing our count. Then the control will go back again, because we have used the for loop, and for loop runs until the condition is true. Now in this way, in the given range, we are printing even numbers. Okay. Now finally, I'll come out of the for loop. I will print the total count. That is, print the even numbers count in a given range is equal to, comma, where is the count? It is there in the variable called count. Okay. So I'll save this with the name, say, OE count order even count.py. So let me run this. So here it is asking me enter the starting range. I will give 1. Enter the ending range. I'll give 10. Now see here, we are getting the even number in the given range, that is 1 to 10. 5 even numbers we are getting, and that we are printing here. The even number count in a given range is 5. I hope you understood this program. Thanks for watching.